Welcome to TriggerPoint. Today we're going to be using a new T-roller to address the anterior tibialis. Now our programming behind a T-roller is to roll, compress, drag. So let's first start by taking the rolling portion here. Let's go to the bottom of the anterior tibialis so you can pull up, you can see it pop up and then relax. It's going to be positioned just off of that shin bone. We don't want to go directly onto the tibia, but a little bit off to the side. If you want more compression, you can bring this hand here. Let's start a nice slow rolling motion up about halfway up the muscle. We'll call that zone 1, and then back down. There's 1, and this isn't going to be a big motion, and remember it's not going to be fast. There's 2, up again, and back down. There's 3, and 1 more. Let's come up for 4. Once you go through that 4 times, now I want you to take the acupressure grip here. I want you to go back to that most tender spot that you found, and here we're going to apply some compression. Compression into that area. Try to breathe, relax. After 20 to 30 seconds, then we're going to move on to our drag. For our drag, we're going to flip over to the other side of that acupressure grip. Here we're going to apply pressure at the bottom of the muscle. I'm going to sort of hook it into the skin. And if you feel like you need some lotion here, feel free to apply just a small amount. And then let's get a slow dragging motion up that zone 1 there on the anterior tibialis. If you run into a really tender spot, I'll show you a little trick. Stop on that tender spot, then I want you to dorsiflex up and then back down a couple of times. This is going to pull it through that area, get a little bit more tissue mobility, and then you're going to go back to that dragging motion. Zone 1 is going to be the bottom of the anterior tibialis, and then you could repeat that same thing at the top of zone 2. So that's how we use the T-roller to address the anterior tibialis. Give it a shot, let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.